specific gravity can be defined as specific gravity of a substance is the ratio of the weight of any volume to the substance to the weight of an equal volume of same standard substance. Same standard substance. And here we take the same standard substance volume is H2O, and H2O at 4 degrees centigrade. So suppose this is the container of volume V. This is the container of V having the substance, and here it is the same volume, equal volume V, and this is the water, H2O. H2O at 4 degree centigrade, at the 4 degree centigrade temperature. So specific gravity, that is, we have Sg. This specific gravity can be expressed for, in case of formula, is weight of V volume of the solid upon weight of V volume of H2O at 4 degree centigrade. So this is the solid, and here it is the liquid. Solid and liquid. Liquid is H2O, solid any substance. So what we find, this is the weight of solid upon weight of H2O. H2O provided the constant volume. Volume is constant. Volume is constant. So this weight, in general, this weight is m into g, mass into, so they can ms into g upon mh into g. So this is ms mass upon mh2o. mh2o, so g cancel here. And we have this mass, we can have the volume density. Density is equal to mass over volume. The volume is equal to mass over density. This can be expressed as, you see, this density is equal to mass over volume. So we have mass is equal to volume into density. So what we find, this is specific gravity mass to d of S into V upon d of water into V, same volume. So this volume cancel. So d of S upon d of water, H2O. So finally, what we find, the specific gravity is nothing but It is the density of the substance, density of the substance upon density of water, density of water is 2O at 4 degree centigrade. So if this is S and this is density of the solid and this is density of the water is dW. So we have the density of solid ds is equal to specific gravity into d of water. So if one can have specific gravity s, then we can calculate the density of the substance solid on the basis of the water molecules. Hence, the specific gravity of the substance specific gravity of the substance is same time called as relative density of the substance. A relative density of the substance. Or in case of solid, this specific gravity is W1 upon W1 minus W2, W1 minus W2, that is weight of object oblique substance in air upon loss of weight of the substance in water. And in case of liquid, specific gravity is W1 minus W2 dash upon W1 minus W2. That is loss of weight of substance in liquid. This liquid may be oil, something kerosene oil or some mustard oil. Here it is loss of weight of substance in water. तो जिस लिक्विड का स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी निकालना है उसमें कोई मास को डीप करें और जो लिक्विड डिस्प्लेस है उसका वेट ले लें और फिर उसी ऑब्जेक्ट को वाटर में डीप करें और जो वाटर डिस्प्लेस है उसको ले लें, दोनों का मास निकाल कर उसका रेशियो ले लें तो वो हो जाएगा. दिस वन इज द केस ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ द लिक्विड. For the mixture of substance, for the mixture of the substance. For example, let M1, M2, M3 सब्सटेंस है जिनका वॉल्यूम है V1, V2, V3, जिसका वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है, तो डेंसिटी is defined as
M by V.
total
Yes, sir.
total mass of mixture upon total volume.
Total volume of.
Total volume of mixture.
Yes, sir.
Total volume of mixture. So we can express here as M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus upon volume V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus. Now, if we have the specific condition means if we have for same volume, the mixture has of the same volume and for the same mass, यदि इस कंडीशन में हम मिक्सचर बनाएं तो व्हाट विल बी द डेंसिटी? सो डेंसिटी in this case density is equal to, this is M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus upon divided by V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus. Now we know that M1 is equal to V1 into D1. D1 is the density. M2 is equal to V2 into D2. D2 is the density, and similarly. So density D is equal to M1 V1 D1 plus V2 D2 plus upon V1 plus V2. Now the condition is for same volume. Same volume means V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V. So what is the density? Density is VD1 plus VD2 plus upon V1 V plus V. It is not V1, but it is V plus V. V plus V. So what V common? D1 plus D2, and here it is 2V. So V cancel, and this is plus. So this is D1 plus D2 and plus. So we cannot say it is 2 only. This is NV, so this is N. So this D is equal to summation of D upon N. Summation of D upon N. So this is simply mean. This is simply mean. So if there is a mixture and mixture is of the same volume, then the density of mixture is nothing but mean density. And if we have same mass, so again density, this D is equal to, the formula is same, M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus this volume V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus. The mass is same, so M1 is equal to M, and this mass is density D1 volume V1, and this is density D2 volume V2 plus density D2 D3 volume V3, and similarly. So how to have the volume? So V1 is equal to m by d1 and V2 is equal to m by d2 and V3 is equal to m by d3. So putting these values, density is m1 plus m2 plus, yeah, and then this is V1. V1 is m1 upon d1 plus m2 upon d2 plus plus. For same masses, that is m1 is equal to m2 is equal to, that is m. So what we find here, we find in this case that is d is equal to m plus m by d1 m by d2 plus plus. So this is m plus n m upon, this is n, and here is 1 by d1 plus 1 by d2 plus plus. So this mass is cancelled. So d is equal to n divided by 1 upon d1, 1 upon d2 plus plus, 1 upon d2 plus plus this. So we can also have, this is n d1 d2 upon 1 upon d1, or this will be kept in this way, and then it is called as harmonic mean. This is known as harmonic mean. So the density can be calculated on the basis of the condition for same volume, and for same mass. So when we can mixing the object with the same mass, then it is known as harmonic mean. And here it is for same mass, it is arithmetic mean. So in this way, we can calculate the density, and on the basis of density, we can have a specific gravity. On the basis of a specific gravity, we can have the the humidity. So there are so many numerical examples. If we interested here, numerical example, we take the two objects, materials with the same volume, that is 100 ml. 100 ml 1 d1 is 3 gram per cc, and d2 is 4 gram per cc. So d is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2, that is 3.5 gram per cc. Here, if we have the 100 gram of the substance, when d1 is 3 gram per cc and d2 is 4 gram per cc, so the density d is equal to 2 divided 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. D is equal to, this one is, so this is 2 into 3 plus into 4 divided by 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is 24 upon 7. This is 3.4 14 10 1 and then 3 8 gram per cc. So what we find here, the density is 3.5 average density when we are mixing with the same volume, and the same material with the mixing of same volume, the density is going to decrease 3.15. So these are the important examples for the density calculation, in what way we have to mix it. So whenever we are mixing with same volume, the density will increase. When we mixing same mass, the density will decrease. So these are the important points that we have to remember. And this is all about the specific gravity.